In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reschedule an appointment on Fresha, offering you the complete 2025 guide. Whether it's needing to adjust your plans due to a scheduling conflict or something unexpected that has come up, knowing how to efficiently handle your appointment changes is vital. To start, you'll first need to log into your Fresha account. This is the same tried and true method whether you're on your computer or using your mobile device. Make sure you have your login details handy. Once you're logged in, you should be familiar with the home page. Look for your profile, which is conveniently located in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on your profile will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Appointments option. This section is your hub for managing and viewing all your upcoming appointments. Once you're in the Appointments section, it's time to find the specific appointment you wish to reschedule. Take a moment to glance through your list to identify which appointment needs adjusting. If you have several bookings, this might take a few moments, so be patient as you locate the right one. After pinpointing the appointment you want to change, explore the options available for rescheduling. Depending on the device you're using or the version of the app, you should see either a reschedule or an edit button next to the appointment details. If you can't immediately find a button specific for rescheduling, one alternative could be to cancel the appointment and promptly book a new one with your preferred date and time. Now, on to selecting a new date and time. This step is crucial as you want to ensure you choose a time that doesn't clash with any other obligations. Look carefully at your schedule and pick an opening that suits you best. Once you've identified a suitable time slot, go ahead and select it. Don't forget to confirm the new appointment details before finalizing. It's important to double check that every detail matches your intentions to avoid any future confusion or missteps. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to rescheduling your appointment on Fresha with ease. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your bookings efficiently, saving you time and hassle. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides that help simplify and streamline your daily tasks.